How did you manage to learn English and Luganda speaking? Well, I'm going to share with you these 5 top secrets that helped me to learn English and Luganda speaking easily. Wayigocho okwogera olulimi oluzungu n'oluganda. Ngenda kubasomesa ebyama 5 ebyanyamba okuyiga oluzungu n'oluganda mu bwangu. You're ready for them? Let's dive into it. Let's first list them out such that you know them. Number 1, we have positive attitude. Positive attitude, okuba n'ebigendererwa ebirungi ng'oyiga olulimi. Record yourself when you're speaking. Record yourself when you're speaking. We're recording ng'oyogera olulimi lwonna lw'oyagala okuyiga. Get English or Luganda speaking friends. Get English or Luganda speaking friends. Funayo mukwano gwo ayogera olulimi lw'oyagala okuyiga. Think in English. Think in English. Gezaako okulowooza mu luzungu. Set a learning period. Set a learning period. Okay, let's see each in detail. Positive attitude. Positive attitude. With positive attitude, I mean think well towards the language you want to learn. Don't have bias towards that language that you are willing to learn. Beera ng'olowooza bulungi, beera n'ebigendererwa ebirungi ku lulimi lw'oyagala okuyiga. Oba luzungu, oba luganda. Kino kigenda kuyamba nti ne w'onaasanga challenges, even if you face challenges, you'll be devoted to solving the problems. Ne w'osanga obuzibu, ojja kuba olina amaanyi ag'okuvakaminga ekyo ekizibu. Nti ojja kugezaako nnyo okusolvinga ebyo ebizibu such that olulimi lukwanguyira. So have positive attitude towards the language. Beera nga oyagala ekyo ky'oli mu kukola. Beera nga oyagala olulimi lw'oyagala okusoma. Our brains are always triggered to adopt to easy things. They don't want to adopt hard things. For example, if I tell you, go and sit on the chair, that one is easy. You just go and rest. But if I tell you, go and stand on the chair for 1 minute, your brain will feel as if the thing is too heavy for it to handle. But you can do it. If you have into your head that I can stand for more than 1 minute, of course you will, because the body will generate the energy for you to stand for 1 minute and more. But if you don't instill in your head that I can do it, trust me, you cannot achieve what you want. So have positive attitude towards the language that you want to learn. Recording yourself whenever you're speaking in a language, it helps you out to analyze errors. Because being a good communicator, you have to be a good listener. So you analyze errors whenever you listen to your recording. You realize where you've gone astray, you try to correct that. And in so doing, you are rectifying and improving your vocabulary. And once your vocabulary is improved, trust me, the way you speak out the words in that language will be easy. Engeri gy'onaayogeramu ebigambo mu lulimi, ng'ofunye ebigambo bingi nnyo mu lulimi, ejja kuba eyanguyizibwa. So we're ng'oli mu practicing olulimi lwonna, especially oluzungu n'oluganda, kino kigenda kukuyambako okumanya ensobi ze z'oba oyogedde n'okuzitereeza. Mu ekyo oba oyiga olulimi olwo. So get English or Luganda friend. Funayo mukwano gwo ayogera olulimi oluzungu oba oluganda oba olulimi lwonna lw'oyagala okuyiga. You know, practicing alone is okay. It comes to conversation, you need someone to converse with. In so doing, you are improving your language. You really need people who are good in that language such that they help you out where you make mistakes and they can correct you. Ofunayo omuntu akuyambako such that oyogera obubi oba oyogera that wokola ensobi mu lulimi olwo bakuyambako okutereeza. So the more you keep on jazzing or the more you keep on conversing with those friends, the more easier the language will be to you. So number 3, you have to get an English or Luganda person who is better than you. Think in English. Yes, thinking in English, it improves comprehension, allowing faster communication in English or Luganda language. Wogezaako okulowooza ebigambo bingi nnyo ng'obirowooza mu lulimi olw'oyagala okuyiga. For example, I'm talking about a mango. So I think of a mango in English language. So this will help me generate sentences easily concerning a mango fruit. For example, a mango is sweet. So whatever you think is what you speak. A mango is sweet. If I think of it in Luganda, I'm going to say omuyembe guwoma because I've thought of it in the Luganda language. So you should try to think in that language that you want to learn. Gezaako okulowooza ekintu mu lulimi lw'ogezaako okuyiga. Kino kigenda kuyamba mu kwogera ng'oli fluent olulimi lw'oba oyagala okuyiga. Kigenda nakuyamba okumanya ebigambo bingi nnyo ebikuyambako ng'oyogera olwo olulimi. So try to think in that language that you want to learn. set a learning period. So don't just study out of the blue. Set time limit for you when you are learning the language. This will help you to assess your progress towards improving in that language. For instance, during the first month, I want to be good at this kind of vocabularies. You make sentences out of them. And trust me, within that month, you are able to grasp those because your brain is triggered within that time period to know how to pronounce those words. So, olina okwewa obudde ng'oyiga ekintu kyonna kyonna ng'oyiga olulimi. So, olina okwewa obudde bw'oyagala okuyigiramu olulimi. In such that kikuyambako okwekebera wa woba otuuse mu kumanya olwo olulimi. This also improves your thinking capability because the brain is always triggered, specialized to grasp those words that you want to learn within that specific period of time. So obwongo buba ku speed okukwata ekyo ekintu kyoyagala okukwata within obwo obudde. In order for you to grasp any language easily, number one, positive attitude towards that language. Number two, recording technique such that you analyze errors and you correct them. Number three, an English or Luganda friend via online or physical. Number four, try to think in English. Number five, set a learning period for which you are to learn that language. Okay, if you find this video amusing and helpful to you, you can subscribe and share my videos. Bye bye. Whatever.